was a special day celebrating the solemn occasion of the national hero's death anniversary, spreading the Christmas cheer and a presidential thanksgiving to the staunchest supporters and followers who've been with him since the get-go. And in an open auditorium just a stone's throw away from the National Hero Shrine, the president gave away a couple thousand gift baskets to a sea of red cheering him since the program began. Our Clazel Pardilla has more on today's Pamaskong Handog event at the Luneta Park.
Christmas may be over for many, but the season of giving continues. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., joined by the first family, personally led the distribution of Christmas gifts today. 2,000 Marcos family supporters received grocery packages during the event. Among the beneficiaries were senior citizens and members of the firm or friends of Imelda Romualdez Marcos.
Maganda yung New Year ko ngayon. Kahit paano may iyakan ako sa lamesa.
President Marcos also took the opportunity to recognize the group's long-standing support and unwavering loyalty to their family.
Kayo ang laging nandyan at lagi kong naaasahan na kahit saan ako pumunta, ay nandyan yung grupo na yan, pulang-pula at malakas ang sigaw. Yan ang firm. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat.
The celebration did not end there, as beneficiaries also joined a raffle draw. One of the winners, Giselle, went home with a brand new television set.
Masaya, pero shock ako. Na-shock. Gulat.
Si Pangulo Marcos po yung nag-abot sa inyo.
Masaya.
Despite demands of leading the nation, the president assured supporters they remain close to his heart.
Hindi ko po masusuklian ang inyong napakagandang loob na ipinakita sa amin sa ilang taon na. Siguro labis na sa isang dekada na tayo'y nagsasama. Asahan po ninyo at hindi po kami nakakakalimot. Lagi kayo'y nasa isip namin at mas mahalaga, lagi kayo ay nasa puso namin. Maraming salamat. Merry Christmas! Happy New Year!
Clazel Pardilla from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.